problem is you got a broken pipe down here, which needs to be repaired, and I'm gonna go get the parts and show how to do the repair work on it. All right, right now we're just gonna cut out the pipe here for the break, and then I'm gonna go ahead and fix it up. When you cut it, you can get a pair of quick cuts, or hacksaw will be fine too. Also watch out, because a lot of times there might be other stuff in the trench, so when you're digging it out, be careful, because you could break the other pipes, which cause more work for you. As this particular one has a poly line and a wire in there for irrigation automatic. Try to cut as close to the fitting as you can when you're cutting the pipe out. Yeah, I'll get this cut out right now. What I'm going to do is I'm going to also replace, not only do the repair, but I'm going to replace this T that is there, and this riser also. Not the head, but this is a 3/4 inch T, and it's a slip thread slip. It's 3/4 glue, threaded 1/2 inch, and then 3/4 again glue. And we're going to use a slip fix on this when I get ready for it. Here. Glue in your fitting first before you put your slip fix on. That way you can get a more accurate measurement. Glue on the pipe. Also put a little glue, just a little bit, inside the fitting itself. Glue it in. And I always take a rag and kind of wipe off the excess glue around the pipe, because that will melt through. Now, this is a slip fix. This way you don't have to dig back real far on the pipe. It saves a lot of time and effort on repair. It pulls out like that. So here, what you do, you want to pull it all the way out. You'll see a line here. That's how far it needs to go into the fitting. And then of course this end here, try to get it as far as you can in the pipe. I measure like this. And I usually cut my pipe that I'm going to glue to a little shorter. Or I'm sorry, a little longer, just because that way I can get the fitting. I'll have enough pipe for the fitting to sit on. Cut it back. I measure again, just to make sure I've got room to put this slip fix in there without the pipe, and I don't. I'm going to cut it back just a little more. Don't be afraid to cut it back. You've got plenty of room on your, a lot of times you've got plenty of pipe on your slip fix, so it should be okay. There we go. Always try to get a nice clean cut on it. If you use a hacksaw, you're going to get burrs, so try to clean the burrs off before you start to glue. Just fine. Now clean off the mud on the old pipe. Make sure that this is clean. And then glue this in first to your fitting. Push it in, hold it for count of 1, 2, 3, and then get ready to do your other end. You can see how the pipe slides here. So this is actually the pipe. So you're not having to pull back. Now all you have to do is just slide this right on into the pipe. And there you go. Again, clean the excess glue off a little bit as best you can. It's always do that. Good idea. Now, I'm going to go ahead and I usually use 6-inch cutoffs because I use them over and over again. You can get a 2-inch or a 1-inch riser, which is a good idea. Good idea to replace if you're doing this. Poly riser, 1/2 inch. And we're done. I would not fill it all in until after I pressure up and make sure that the leaks are all good and stuff. Then turn the system on, make sure everything's working in proper order, and then go ahead and backfill. So this particular clock's in orbit. Just press to start it up manually. Just give it a time to pressure up. Long run. It takes a while to pressure up. Long. We're good to go.